Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kaji keren ban pinbit no yo put usam kelaya chat balasai kasngi kan retorik unailar arja arpoi kendai kasian kabaal baki arngot kimentri rang ba kini keren bawa dikilat kilenti ban pinbit no yo put usam habai keren baru presiden ke HSPDP uba kipi pangyang ulang baki jinga keren ban pinbit yo put usam hapo ke arjala kumno banya chakamat habai day berkene hari ni kikendiat sengi ka kenuhon hapo ka jingalam menteri bapet ya katanat PHE uba ranik tanding dok tangkar kile kindo ikipat ba ikipesong hari ni kitan bad hari ni kijinga keren bad ki kibabon kitrang bandan bad ka jela Meghalaya ulo angru bangimla banlen bakidan kipat ba kibakwa bandan bad ka jela Assam.
Yes, we are very happy to see that the meeting between Assam and Meghalaya will again tomorrow in Guwahati itself. So, since this matter of boundary issue has unitedly the state of Meghalaya and Assam, they have decided to resolve, to settle once for all. So this meeting tomorrow, it signals that they have the positive, mood and responsibility to settle it immediately. So I hope that tomorrow meetings again will come out with good atmosphere, a good suggestion, good discussion, how to progress ahead, how to speed up the matter to settle this long-pending issue.
Right. So you have recently visited this people.
Yes, yesterday only, the West Khasil District Committee, under the chairmanship of our Honorable Minister Renington Lengdo Tongkar, along all the members of the committee, officials of the district administration, and all stakeholders, including the NGOs. Together we went to see spot inspection. We start the inspection from the village of Mahausikar, then we proceed to Lampi, then up to Umbodali, then again we go to the sector of Hahim, area of difference. Then finally we reach there at Tarabari sector and Gizang reservoir sector. So we have completed our inspection and we have seen with our own eyes the location, the village, the rivers and the people of that area. Yesterday indeed, we have done that.
So what are they saying, sir? What are their thoughts?
At the time when we go for inspection, so many headmen, Gaunburas, elders of those areas, they came forward to meet us. And they expressed, some of them, they expressed that we want to be part and parcel in the state of Meghalaya. There are so many villages seen with our own eyes, the location, the village, the rivers, and the people of that area. Yesterday indeed, we have done that.
So what are they saying, sir? What are their thoughts?
At the time when we go for inspection, so many headmen, Gaunburas, elders of those areas, they came forward to meet us. And they expressed, some of them, they expressed that we want to be part and parcel in the state of Meghalaya. There are so many villages in the dispute area so called. They want to be part and parcel within the state of Meghalaya. And they were already resolved themselves that they will ever remain in the state of Meghalaya. Okay. But we cannot deny also, there are some villages, need not to mention what names of those villages, but in those packet of 4 sectors, that they are, it seems that they are very comfortable to stay and to remain within the part and parcel of the state of Assam. Because we cannot also deny the matter of 50 years unsettled dispute. People used to, to live in there and to engage themselves, the day-to-day administration, some of them with the Assam administration, with the Kamrup district, and some of them means that they are very comfortable to be part and parcel in the day-to-day administration with the West Kasil district. So we see, but according to our observation, it goes like that. Some of them, they are very much happy to be part and parcel in Assam since many years back they have been there, engaged themselves in the day-to-day activity, administration, developmental program with the Assam. Some of them, they are very comfortable, to be ever remain in West Kasil Meghalaya. That is we would see from
So
our
do you-
discussion.
Who wants to be in Assam, like roughly?
Roughly, I cannot say, but there it goes like that. Some of them, because if we count how many villages, Lampi sector around 45 villages, and at the Hahim sector we have 13 villages, Habim sector 13 villages, and in the Tarabari and Gizal Reserve Forest we have about 6 to 7 villages, like that. That's all. That is the position, the numbers of the villages and the sectors in the West Kasil. As of now, I cannot, suggest that we will take on the spirit of give and take. Once the district committee of the West Kasils and some other district will sit together, then we'll discuss, then we can say a final call later on.
Right.
How we, go about this matter. And finally, the state level committee is still there. So what is the, suggestion and the decision of the state level? We are yet to know that. Yesterday evening we came, to this Shillong city. I have heard and have seen somewhere in the newspaper, but as of now I have, no information about the legalities or illegalities of those, factories, coke factories. So I cannot say at present whether it is legal or illegal, but I feel that as of now it is too early for me to know the ground reality, and I cannot say much about that.